Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create keynotes on your iPad. I do have an iPad, but it is in my office right now and I just left it, but it's pretty much the same on your iPhone, to be honest. So to create a keynote, you can just press this plus button up here and you can either choose a theme or start an outline to create a presentation. I'll just do start an outline for now. Okay, tap to edit. So here I can basically type in the outlines of the presentations. I'm just going to type in colors of the rainbow. You can add more here: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Then you can go and press the arrow to basically add subheadings or more information on that. So for instance, I add another one here and then I press the arrow. I can maybe type in colors of fruits. So for instance, apple, and then add another one. Orange is just orange. And then yellow is banana. Green is, I don't know, okay, kiwi, I guess. Blue, blueberry, what's new? Indigo, what is an indigo fruit? Anyways, you can press done here and you can see the slides as you can see. You can see the text and the headings of each slide. You can obviously add more paragraphs to this by pressing the plus button and then doing the arrow again. And then here, press the brush to select the layout that you want. There's title, photo horizontal, photo vertical. Let's do that one. And then here you can press on the image button here and you can add an image to it. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you can create presentations basically on your iPad, or you can even do it on your iPhone, but I think it's going to be a little bit too small to see. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.